If you're a dumbass that believes evolution, this is for you.
Biologist Charles Darwin introduced the world to the theory of evolution with his book On the Origin of Species. He proposed that gradual multi-generational changes occurring due to natural selection resulted in the modification of all existing species. While scientists agree that this process does, in fact, take place,
there are fossils of giraffes with short necks, and then we have the present.
Yeah, that's evolution. Traits change.
You're telling me this all happens overnight?
No, I'm not.
Ancient astronaut theorists propose it may, in fact, offer proof of extraterrestrial intervention.
What?
Life on Earth, seeded from Mars? Could we, in fact, be Martians?
Absolutely not.
Ancient astronaut theorists say yes.
They say yes
These
to everything.
Extraterrestrial ancestors can be found in the Hebrew Bible as the fallen angels.
There was.
He looks like a scientist.
Angels who descended to Earth. Is it possible that the fallen angels came to Earth from Mars?
Not from heaven, but from Mars.
If humans evolved long enough,
I thought evolution
Mars,
wasn't real.
they could grow to be taller,
Motherfucking fucker.
They'd have the bigger heads, they'd have the spindly limbs, they might actually grow slightly larger eyes because it's farther away from the sun. They could also end up looking like representations of angels and various other godlike beings that we've read about in the Bible and other ancient documents.
Very tall and spindly, and perhaps pale, and with large eyes. Something that we might expect to be coming from another planet, like Mars.
That's a
This
planet.
goes back to the idea that we find information in the substrate of the physical world, yet our brains are not evolved.
You guys
yet
are not
to
the
see
authorities
information.
on evolution.
Not everybody's evolved at the same rate. That's also true.
No, it's not. Oh, check out this ridiculously inaccurate diagram of not
We have
evolution.
to look at the possibility that extraterrestrials could be introducing ideas into this information field.
What are you tripping
Sort
on,
of as
dude?
if something has
Acid?
been uploaded into the cloud.
Bath salts. No, whatever.